Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to install Chrome extensions in Brave browser. So, in order for you to proceed with this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser. From here guys, you can just simply go ahead and search for Chrome extension, and from here they will have a website which is Chrome Web Store, as you can see over here. And now we could utilize the Chrome extensions over here. And we have multiple options that we could use. And now, for example, I'm going to go ahead and search for a screenshot extension. And as you can see, I'll go for this one. I'll go full page. And from here, as you can see, I will have an option, add to Brave. And automatically, I should be able to add an extension into my Brave browser by utilizing the Chrome extensions of the internet. And from here, as you can see, I have the extensions right away. I could just simply select the extensions icon over here, and I could use it when I click on it. And I could also be able to go for manage extensions in order for me to turn it on and off. And I could remove it and go into more details as well over here, as you can see. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.